Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ. In this video, I will show you how to fix heating problem in your laptop. So I'll show you the easy trick, two step to cool down your laptop. So just go to start and type power option. Open the power option, and here just you need to click on change plant setting. Click on change advanced power setting, and now just scroll down. Okay, where is it? Okay, here processor power management. Extend this processor power management and click on system cooling policy. So on the battery, just you need to change it to active. So select this and select the active. Just apply. Okay, so click on apply and okay. So next step is go to maximum processor rate state, and here you can change this battery percentage like 50, 75. I'm going to take the 50. Okay, 50% battery and the plugged in, I think 75. Yeah, you can change 65, 75. Okay, so after this just click apply and okay. So these are two easy methods to fix your heating problem in your laptop. After do this, if you are still facing some heating problem, you can change this percentage like 65 to 50, and you can vary this percentage. So I hope this will help you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.